If you haven't had time to see the latest news, Google Veo is now in Canva. You have access to instant cinematic videos that are created by AI, and it is with sound and audio. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to take you through the steps. That's why we are on brand today. We are pro Canva. Yes, there are terms and conditions. Let me go through with you and show you what's going on.
Zinsizwa, both of you are ugly, but at least the duck has a skincare routine. Kati, I've been organizing Stockville since Mandela was president. I run things.
This exciting news, I just have to share it with you. Canva recently introduced Google Veo 3 on Canva. And how do you access this? But before we start accessing this, let me just show you what Google Veo 3 does. It is amazing and it creates videos with audio. And real sound. This other video that they've created, it looks very cool with lip sync as well.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
As you can see, this is very exciting and very expensive. If you wanted to get Google Veo 3, I believe it's currently now in US. I'm not sure if they've rolled it out to everyone in the world. I have tried to access Google Veo 3 using my Leonardo, and you do need to know that it is extremely expensive to create a video with Leonardo. And when I was trying to access it, so let's say, for example, we go to our homepage and we say we want to create a video and we select the Veo 3 because they do have the Veo 3 on Leonardo. And I've tried it because I do have Leonardo, which I'm not such a fan of anymore. And you select the Veo 3, you can immediately see the credits are 2.5. So it's extremely expensive. And I believe in the US, it's $250 per month if you subscribe via Google and Gemini to get the Veo 3. What's extremely important to take note of is that you need to be using correct prompts when you're creating these videos. I will show you an example where I was trying to create a video with Leonardo using the Veo 3, and it really could not understand what I was saying. And I didn't even create the video myself or the prompt myself. I got ChatGPT to create the prompt for me, like I normally ask ChatGPT to create prompts. So it never created this video. 7 days down the line, I reported the issue with Leonardo. I never got my Google Veo 3 video on Leonardo. So now I got help from Ronnie and Di, the channel where we learn design with Canva. He helped us to give us a formula to follow when we are creating these videos. And I'm going to add this Cascade formula in the description below so that you follow it and you complete your video prompts with ChatGPT to complete it for you exactly this way. That's what I did here. And I asked ChatGPT. After a couple of tries, me and him, we eventually got the Cascade prompt formula down. And now I'm going to jump in on Canva and show you how to create a video for the very first time. Canva. Where are you going to find this? You're going to find it under Canva AI. When you click on Canva AI, you're going to have a new functionality that's added there that's called Create a Video Clip. And then it will show you all of these tests that you can do. Please don't, because if you do try them out, you will lose your credits. We get 5 credits a month. And if you click on the test, it's gone. So that's one way of going and finding it. It's also on your menu on the left-hand side under Canva AI. And then you can go and find the video clip. So now you're going to add and describe to AI what you want on the video. So it is important to make sure that you choose the style, unless you have described the style nicely on your description. When ChatGPT has done that for you, you can choose the aspect ratio Once they've activated the 9:16, we only have the 16:9 for now. And for now, we only have an 8-second video. The customization is also coming. Framing is usually done by the Cascade, but you can choose the framing if you want, as well as the lighting. You can choose the kind of lighting. So I've never tried this before. I'm trying it with you. I'm going to paste my prompt that I've gotten ChatGPT to create for me. And I'm going to read through and change a little things if I'm not happy with them. So let's see. It's early morning. So let's go and see. You do have the functionality of using a chat to chat with the AI, but our other option is for us to type. So I'm going to press enter and wait for the video to create. So Canva AI starts thinking. This is so exciting. Oh, hang tight. They're generating my video now. It might take 2 minutes and they're going to let me know when it's done. So I'm going to fast forward this and then let you know and show you how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to click on it so that it opens up and we can hear what Magzo is saying.
He called me intelligent. Hi, he knows I passed standard 6 TWICE.
So I absolutely love it. So I suppose it's going to get used to us creating video and reading our text, how it should be like. Maybe we shouldn't type it in caps. So it's things that we're going to learn as we go along. However, I love it. We are going to download the video so that we don't lose it. And we call it AI when we fix it. And then the other thing that you need to know when you want to edit the video, which I will want to do, you're going to click on Use Canva Editor, and then it will open up an editor so that you can have it and edit it. It does give you an option to upgrade or fix whatever. So if you don't like the text and you would like to take that off, you can use the Ask Me Anything. I know I get 5 of these a month and use the other 4 that I have left for the month for my other content that I want to create. So I would go back home. When you go back home and you click on your menu, when I select my Canva AI, then I get to see what I've created today and the past month's chat that I've created. So I don't see them telling me the number of the videos that I have. It doesn't show like your Dreamlab. Dreamlab would tell you here to say how many you have left. I know that Canva has told us that we have 5 a month on a pro account. So in summary, let's summarize what we've learned and how are the terms and conditions of using this new feature on Canva. Go through this blog that Canva has written for us so that we know exactly what we're getting. And I will link this blog in the description below, as well as the 30-day trial that you can try this amazing tool that we have on Canva. So when you scroll down, you get to see that Google Veo is available to all of us who have Canva Pro, Canva Teams, as well as Canva Enterprise. While you are on the user interface of the Canva page, you will see that we can only generate 16:9 8-second video with synchronized audio using text prompt. So it's only text prompt that you're going to use to create a video. You do get 1 video generated per prompt, and you can add the video to an editor to further make it your own and customize it. It is only available in English. If your Canva is an English account, it's only available then, and you get 5 credits per month. And I've mentioned who can get it. So if you're on a Canva free account, you won't get this functionality. Like I said, you can always go and trial it with my link below. Because it's available only on Canva Pro, Teams, as well as Enterprise, that link is in the description below to go get a 30-day free trial. I appreciate your time. I will see you with our next video.
Kathy, I've been organizing Stokvel since Mandela was president. I run things.